So we just finished up the roof and painting all the siding on our house. And with the outside almost done, we thought it's time to turn back inside and start getting some work done in here. We're heading into a hot season, so one thing we really want to do is start all the insulation. We're going to be starting today by installing a radiant barrier inside the walls all the way around the home. Since this house doesn't have sheathing and doesn't have particularly thick walls, we wanted to really block the heat and create a separation from the insulation to the siding, because that's all there is siding insulation. So we're going to be installing this, which I'll show you, is a reflective foil radiant barrier, and it's going to be installed on the inside behind the siding with an air gap. We're going with the Reflectix brand, and this one is a bubble insulation, so it's like bubble wrap. But it's a single-sided foil, so it has foil face on one side and white on the other. That saves a little bit of money because we don't need foil on the inside. We need the foil facing the exterior to do its job, and the insulation can press against the white. So that's what we're starting with. So we'll just line it up to the wall, and then
give it a cut. Cool.
If I had a straight edge, it'd be better, but this doesn't have to be super precise.
No.
Like that. Yeah. It's not terrible looking. Let me just... I want to make sure this is proper. I know I might do a couple of side staples here. Well, there's not too much to say about this process. We're going to keep stapling them into the walls. They're not perfect, but we're not looking for perfection. As long as I can get the insulation in there, I'll be happy. If these are touching the siding here and there, I'm not gonna be sweating it. It's not a big deal.
Kella's laying on me again. She feels a little wet.
Yeah, it just started raining, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's so nice.
Well, for context, right now is a new day. We came back to the mobile home to mow. We were actually just coming here to get the grass cut, and it started raining on the way, so we're gonna take a break from that and we're just gonna keep working on this. I'm just gonna try to get some more wall done. Last time I was able to finish up over there mostly. Got a little bit under the window to do. So I'm gonna be coming down this end of the house and working on these bays, wrapping around. Maybe we can even finish today. Well, I didn't film it, but we made some more progress here and got just past the door. I'm gonna leave this bay open for a moment because we have things we gotta deal with in that opening. So not worried about that, but it stopped raining long enough that we feel safe getting the mower out.
Okay.
Yeah. By the way, have we ever shown you the view from this angle, the backyard? Solid black solid black back, and a hint of the color from the end here. I think that looks cool. A lot of people have been asking about these windows, putting shutters, putting trim. Guys, we want them to blend in. That's the whole point, that's the whole design, is we match the paint to the windows so you get this really cool effect where you barely see them and they just blend away. It might not be for everybody, but we like it. I know I hit it. But I still think you can get in there.
Yeah, if I really try. Did it.
No round of applause. Well guys, we're getting ready to head home. There's not a lot of excitement going on the property right now, but there's still big progress. And right now we just got to work through some of these tedious jobs so that we can start working on bigger and better things. I really want to get working on the ceiling.
Me too.
So that's coming next. But that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye.